네, 안녕하세요 여러분. 선우권입니다. The host that we can speak Korean. Welcome back. Okay, let's begin. Today, episode 7. In episode 7, I'm going to deal with the issue you think it's one of the difficulties in learning Korean language. Okay, the main subject today is why there is an honorific in Korean language. Well, I don't think you disagree with me for the aspect that understanding culture is priority before learning foreign language. So when I learned English, I just had to memorize, just memorize this expression. She's an apple of my eye. But it's not easy for me to use that expression because I didn't know the origin. Alright? Just I learned by heart. Okay? So taking that expression out of my mouth was like Mount Everest for me. Okay, so you should comprehend what brought honorific in Korea first. Alright? Okay. The original polite way of speaking, so-called 존댓말, originated from the age of agriculture, a long time ago, I assume. To cultivate infertile land to grow crops or rice back then, people had to work together. But there was no machine like today. So farming was just only humans' labor with bare hands. So someone was needed to take control during the entire process, like a foreman, right? And usually the eldest person who had the wisdom of age would be in charge of that process. As a result, 존댓말 came out as a token of showing respect. Okay, along with the Confucianism applied in Joseon Dynasty over 500 years history, the honorific was consolidated more in Korea. Okay, in other words, the honorific became standard to represent rank, social status. With no surprise, Korean people have to say honorific to elderly person, supervisor in a company, and superior officer in the army, etc. And even in their daily life. But that doesn't mean that not all of Koreans accept 존댓말 in their routine life. Okay, at this point, I think you need to figure out the definition of friend. Okay, a friend, 친구 in Korean. Alright. Unlike Western culture, you can be a friend to anybody, right? Regardless of age. Okay, but in Korea, friend, 친구, is accounted for same age group of people. Those who went to the elementary school in the same year, right? So normally they have relationship. They have a privilege to say 반말, so-called casual or informal way of talking each other. Okay, and also in a sibling relationship in family, like brothers and sisters, can use 반말 or semi-반말 by calling them like 형, 누나, 언니, 오빠. Okay, so let me tell this. If you have a brother and sister, right, and they all older than you, okay, then you have to call him or her like 형 and 누나. Okay, 형 and 누나. Man is 형, woman is 누나. Okay. Then you're a female. Then you have a brother and sister, but they are older than you. Then you call him or her like 오빠, 언니. Okay. So that's why you call EXO oppa, BTS oppa, something like that. Okay. By adding 형, 언니, 오빠, 누나, so you can say semi 반말. In a family relationship and outside of family relationship, right? To anyone in Korean society. Okay. Plus, there are these Korean words like 동생, 선배, 후배. Okay. From the top to the bottom, 동생, 선배, 후배. Alright, a 동생 means a person who is younger than you, right? And 선배, a person who is older than you. And 후배, a person who is younger than you. Alright, generally, those terms like 선배 and 후배 are only used in school, in a company, and other social gathering. Okay? So what you have to do is just put 님 after 선배. Alright? So 님 is also applicable to supervisor. Okay? Like 사장님, 선생님, 교수님. Something like that. Okay, now I give you 3 examples using the expression where are you going for your understanding. Where are you going in Korean? 어디 가. Okay. Alright. As you see, there are 3 examples. First one is combo 1. Second is combo 2. Third is combo 3. Alright, combo 1 is 야, 어디 가? 야, 어디 가? Okay. And combo 2 형, 어디 가세요? And also 형, 어디 가? Okay. In combo 2, 형 어디 가? Underline 형 어디 가? It's optional, right? So when there is an agreement, right? And to your sibling. Okay? So, if you have a brother, right? He is older than you. Okay? Then you can say semi 반말 to you a brother. Okay? Like that. 형 어디 가? Okay? Alright. And also you met a guy in a social gathering, but he is older than you, right? And then you can say semi 반말 to him, right? 형 어디 가? Okay, makes sense. Alright, and combo 3 is 선배님 어디 가세요? 선배님 어디 가세요? 선배님 어디 가세요? Something like that. So you have to put 님 after 선배. Okay? Or 사장, president, 선생, teacher. Okay? So 선배님, 사장님, 선생님. Something like that. Okay? Alright. So, like above, I will class any expressions in my channel into 3. Okay, combo 1, combo 2, combo 3. Alright, combo 1 is just between friends. Alright, same age group or two younger person. Right? And combo 2, general polite way. Okay, and two group of people. And last one, combo 3, to elderly person, supervisor, employer. Alright? So I strongly advise you to practice combo 2 until your Korean level reach advanced, because it's very confusing for any Korean learner around the world. Switching combo 1 and combo 2 at the same time, that's not an easy job, alright? Even if you say combo 2 to elderly person or any person who is in a higher social status, right? And that would be okay. Alright, to sum up, you can use 반말 to your friend, younger person, 동생, and 후배. Okay, but there is a condition that you can't ask them permission. Excuse me, can I say 반말 to you? Something like that. Okay, unless the other person would be upset and your 반말 speaking could be very rude to them. Alright, so you have to ask permission to your friends in the same age either. Alright, they didn't go to the same school though. Alright, so in closing, let me tell you very weird culture of Korea. Alright, the prior thing Korean people do at their social gathering or something, they ask someone's age first. Alright, because they want to make sure if they can use 반말, semi-반말, and 존댓말. Okay? Very interesting culture. Alright, anyway. Okay, thank you. 감사합니다. Thanks for watching episode 7. Alright? And subscribe please if you like it. Okay, so it's time to go and say goodbye. Alright. See you next time. Bye.